Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your headphones Marshall Major 5 on your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list click the information icon near to your headphones, and at the first line we have a name. Tap at this line and write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this text. You can also remove some text, not only add. After that, the most important is to click Done or Checkmark at the right bottom. So if you have iOS 26, you will see Checkmark. If you have previous version, you will see Done right here, and you click at this button. Now, if you return, you can see that you already changed a name. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!